All right, I'm returning back to Excel here, and I'm going to show a particular function, and this is to generate random numbers. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to make up data. We're going to make up data, let's say number of customers. And we're going to make up data, and so we're going to pretend there is a random number of customers. And let's say I'm going to put an equal sign and rand between. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to say that there's going to be a random number of customers on any given day. It could be 0 to, let's say, 800 customers. Right? There's some reason we're choosing random numbers, and random numbers are something that we're looking at reading the book. We'll choose between 0 and 800. And what happens is this picks a random number. Now what I can do then is I can grab the little box down here, and I can create, let's see, I'm going to go down to 26. I'm going to have 25 random numbers. I've created 25 different random numbers here. And now I have a set of random numbers created. And since we're talking about randomization and randomization for experiment design, I wanted to give you an example of randomizing. Now, if you ever need to update the number, come back through. Oops, sorry, I'm clicking my buttons here. And you redrag the bar, or you remove your bar options, and you can redrag the bar to regenerate random numbers. So I'm on the first one there, come back down to 26, that gives me 25 of them, and I've got different random numbers. And so we have the ability to generate random numbers without having to read a table or do any of these extra things within the book, where we specify the endpoints of the random number ran between 0 and 800. And you'll find that we're going to use the mathematical capabilities of Excel in the first project assignment, specifically dealing with random numbers.